Hello guys, um, I'm trying to use this jig in order to fix a cutting board, and this is a Yato. This is the part number. It has it has guides from 3 millimeters to 9.5 millimeters. It has for corner use square bottom, as well as the ability to guide with round objects, or round wood, round pipes, PVC pipes, and so on. But I've noticed that when you push it on a piece of glass which is straight, it has a little bit of movement, and when you put it on its front, again, has a bit of play. I'm gonna drill through the 3 millimeter hole straight as possible. I know it's by the way, these are Parkside drills. See how this goes. Going to use the Grizzly D4 speed 1. I know this is the wrong bit, but it actually stays really good. Didn't crack. So basically it's useful. A bit overkill for this cutting board. I think all of this cost a lot more than this cutting board itself, but at least we can still use it. Again, I fixed this. I don't have a 2 millimeter, but the 3 will do just fine. Make sure that it goes pretty straight or perpendicular. Basically, I just want to make sure that this piece is flush. I'm going to use the Lidl with the 9.9, same battery, not fully charged, because why not? I'm gonna use it in speed 1, or let's just go speed 4, see what, with the same bit, and see if this can well, the wood is a bit wet right now and it's a bit swollen, but yeah, I'm glad it didn't crack and it's fixed for now.